Innovation is the process of translating an idea or invention into a good or service that create value or for which customer will pay. To be called an innovation, an idea must be replicable at an economical cost and must satisfy a specific need. Type of innovation. Innovation are divided into two broad categories. First, evolutionary innovation or continuous innovation that are brought about by many incremental advances in technology or process. Second, revolutionary innovation, which are often disruptive and new. Innovation involves deliberate application of information, imagination, and initiative in derive greater or different value from resource and include all process by which new ideas are generated and converted into useful products. In business, innovation often results when ideas are applied by the company in order to further satisfy the need and expectation of the customer. In a social context, innovation helps create new methods for alliance creation, joint venturing, flexible work hours, and creation of buyers purchasing power.